Hi guys, JezB in the UK, shooting a quick update video for you on the Cash Forex Group, CashFX Group platform. It is Tuesday the 6th of August and just wanted to shoot this quick video. It is going to be a quick one as well, just purely to flag up to anyone who's joined under me or anyone who's looking at the program. If you've watched the previous two videos I've done, you will have picked up on the fact that we're having to be a little bit careful in terms of what we're showing on the sites, because word had sort of got out that corporate weren't too keen on certain elements of the website being shown. But at that stage it was just literally, you know, somebody's heard something and it's got round on social media, etc. Well, if you are actually registered with the program and in there, you should have hopefully received an email today from them, from the corporate office, and it kind of clarifies the situation really. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you to that particular email, and you can see there they're basically saying obviously CashFX is literally exploding globally, and with the growth comes the need for rules and regulations in order to keep the company and all participants legal, compliant and safe in all markets. So it's in the best interest of all parties involved to work together to police the following policy. And what they're clearly stating there is a zero tolerance on income claims and screenshots of earnings. And they're saying there, it's basically come to their attention that some participants are starting to share screenshots of their earnings and making income claims in public forums and online platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. So they're saying there this is illegal and is absolutely forbidden for any participant in CashFX to do this type of marketing. If you choose to sit with your friends, family, colleagues, etc. and go over this in a private setting, then that's up to you. But these type of posts must stop immediately. So they're saying that CashFX and our incredible team leaders will be policing the internet, watching for these types of posts. If you're found to be violating this policy, your account could face immediate termination. So unfortunately, due to legal reasons, this is a zero tolerance policy. And it's saying if you currently have any of these types of posts on the internet anywhere, please remove them immediately. Again, it is in your best interest to abide by CashFX's policies and the laws regulating our industry. And it's also stating there you also cannot use or manipulate any CashFX logos or names in your post other than any corporate approved materials that have been released to the public. So obviously, you know, not creating any new material, new web pages incorporating the company's logos, etc. We know these types of things happen out of sheer excitement and passion of the moment. After all, who doesn't like getting a nice big check just days or weeks after starting a new program, which many of you have already started receiving bigger checks than you've ever made in any other program before. But this is where you have to slow down and make sure you are doing what's in your best interest and the best interest of CashFX. We are a long-term company that you will be able to count on, and we will do whatever it takes to protect the longevity of our company so millions of members can reap the rewards for years to come. Thank you in advance for complying with this terms of this top priority policy. We also appreciate you taking down any violating content immediately should you have anything currently posted that violates this policy. And they're signing out there with now buckle up and hang on tight. This is going to be a fast and fun ride together. Have a great day. Best regards, CashFX Corp Compliance Team. And it's also been put there in Spanish as well. So I think that kind of clears it up. I don't think there's any room for a grey area there. It's pretty black and white what they're saying. So obviously, if you have joined and you are looking to promote the program, whether that be on social media or, you know, on video channels like YouTube, etc., just be very careful that you are not showing screenshots of your earnings and also not making any income claims as well. I mean, if you stick to, you know, using the materials supplied, so for instance on the website there is the presentation documents that are there, so that's obviously been generated by the company. So anything you're actually showing of that and actually, you know, giving that information to anyone else, it's company provided, so it's not something you've altered in any way. And that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to, you know, make sure this message gets out. I can't understand anyone wouldn't get this. If you've obviously registered in the system, you should obviously have received this email also today. And on a last note, what I would say is, don't forget we have the live trade event taking place on Tuesday, August 6th at 9 PM Eastern. Obviously, if you're in the UK, that would be around about 1 AM on Wednesday the 7th. So yeah, if you can tune into that, highly recommend. That would be worth a look, so you can actually see transparency of the trading that goes on behind the scenes. I'm sure it's probably going to be a recorded event, so if you do miss it, I'm sure there'll be plenty of chances to see it on, you know, countless YouTube channels, because there's so many people sort of jumping in on the CFX group at the moment. So that's it. I'm going to wrap this up here, but it was mainly just to get that message out. If you have joined the team, just don't get caught out. Be very careful with what you're actually showing in terms of any posts you're making, videos you're doing, etc. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.